Hello and welcome to this very first video on Microsoft Office applications. So in this playlist we will learn about all Microsoft applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Outlook. So let's get started with the Word first. So to open Word you have to click on Start button. After that search for Word. Maybe in your case you will find different version of Word. So here I am using 2024 version. So before clicking on blank document, I can see here already present templates available. So I'll click on more templates. So let's see here many more templates which you can use to get start quickly. So suppose I have to create one resume. So I'll search for resume and here I have many more templates of resume. I can edit anyone. Let's suppose if you want to start with this template, so just you have to click on it and then click on create. So here I can change the name directly and also I can change designation. So in this way you can modify these text fields and you can use this template directly. So this is very quick and easy way to get start with Microsoft Word. You can make any format, you just have to select the template and you have to edit the details only. So next, take one blank document and then start editing. So suppose this is my first document. So now I want to make it bold. So here we have different tabs in menus. So this is taskbar. In this taskbar I have this ribbon. So in this ribbon I have many more groups like clipboard, font, paragraph group, styles group and these groups. So firstly we will use home tab. In home tab we will use B for formatting font. So in font tab, if you are using B for bold, you can make it italic, you can underline it. So these are many more underlines you can use. Then again after underline you have subscript and superscript. You know, in mathematics many a time we have to use this subscript and superscript option. After that here is font. I'll remove underline first and here you can use any font. So it will change that font. Again size I can give 40. So in this way you can edit size also and you can use reduce and decrease size of increase and decrease size of text using these two A icon also. Suppose I want to make all this text in capital. So you have to use these change case option and just choose uppercase. So it will make all the letters in uppercase. So in lowercase also you can choose, or in sentence case also you can choose. So it will make only first letter as capital. So in this way you can use these kind of options. So this is highlight color, text highlight color. You can highlight that text using different colors and you can change the text color using this text color option. After that this is alignment, center alignment, right alignment, left alignment and justify. So center alignment I will use. After that these are points option or list, you can say. You can add bullets to the list. Suppose if I take one list, so here I have list of definitions. So I'll add bullets before these definitions. So you have to select those lines first. After that here you can use the any kind of bullets option. Suppose this right arrow, tick and dot also you can use. You just have to select all the sentences and you have to use these different bullets. Suppose I have to give numbers, so you can use number list. Then again in number you can use Roman also. And so that's it. This is all about list. You can make any paragraph as a list or you can give numbers to a list. So if you have to remove list, just click on that, it will remove that list. One more option is to justify. So this is justify option. Let's see, take one example paragraph. Suppose we are having this paragraph. Now I want to justify it. So I'll select all the text. So justify means it will reduce this side of space and this side of space, and it will make all lines can use same space from the margin. See, like this. This is justified. Left alignment, middle alignment, right alignment, and justify. So you can justify your paragraph. Suppose you want to reduce this space before paragraph and after paragraph. You know, in old version of Word, we have rulers here. So if you want to see those rulers, you have to click on view and ruler. So using this ruler also, you can adjust the space before and after paragraph like this. Okay. So this is all about the formatting options of paragraph. So after that, background color also, you can choose any background color for paragraph also. And this margins and all, we'll see this in table. So this is here heading, you can use heading 1, heading 2, so title. So this is the font types, you can use this styles. After that, find and replace. So if I have to find something and I have to replace it with any other device, so in place of computer, I'll write PC. So click on find replace. So see, if you click on replace, you will get find option. So if I write computer, I can find computer, find next. So I can find computer word in my paragraph. Suppose I have to replace computer with PC. So I'll write find what computer and replace with PC. And if I click on replace all, it will replace all the computer. So 2 matches are found. So it will replace all computer with PC. So see, the PC name is changed here. So computer name is changed to PC. So in this way, you can use find and replace option, or go to option you can choose here. So next option, select. So you can select all, select object, and after that, dictate option is there. So we will see the use of dictate option. So if I have to type here one paragraph, so now the using dictate option, you can type any text. You don't have to type it using computer again and again. You just have to speak that text and it will type it for you. So in this way, you can use, this is like voice recognition, like in mobile, text to speech option is there. So it is like that application. You just have to speak and it will type it for you. So this is for about dictate option. After this dictate option, let's see insert tab. So this is home tab. If you are having doubt or difficulty in using any option from home tab, you can comment below the video. So insert tab. So let's see how to insert. So you can insert cover page if your document, or suppose you are designing one book and you want one cover page, you can insert one cover page, and you can use any one format from this. So this is for that. Blank page. Suppose you want one more blank page here downside. So now before that, see view option. View, you can view vertically, you can view side by side. If another page is there, it will show that page here. So I'll use side view, and then I'll again go to home, insert. So if I insert blank page, it will add one more blank page like this. So I have one blank page now, and this is my original page. Okay, so view, change to vertical, and see. So in insert, I have the option to insert blank page. After page break, so if you are typing something and you want to break your page from here only, so you can click on page break. So it will give your cursor to next page, and you can type next content on the next page. So it will break. So only this much is the first page now, sorry, second page, and after whatever parts is there, so that is comes that will come on third page. So this is why this is so this is why page break is useful. So after that, table option is there. So let's use table option. So using table option, you can insert table in your document. Suppose I want 3 row or 4 row, you can drag and drop here. So I'll take one table with 4 rows. So sorry, 3 rows and 3 columns. So this is my table. And suppose now I want to increase one more row below it. So you just have to right click here and click on insert and insert below. So it will insert one more row below that row. Now I can write number, name and address, and you can make it bold. You can increase font size and align it to the center. So now you can write number 1, number 2, and here you can write names also. So together, if you want to increase size of all paragraphs, just select all text and increase the size. Now I'll increase size of 1 and 2 and center. So you can add names. Suppose I want one more column right side. So you just have to right click on this right cell and insert one right side. So it will add one more column to right side like this, right? So I'll take this downside. You can take table anywhere on your document. So here one more column is there. So there you can write anything. So this is where, suppose I have to delete this extra added column. So you have to right click again, then go to delete. And what you want to delete? I want to delete one column. So I'll click on column. So I want to delete this row also, second row. So I'll right click here, click on delete and delete row. So it will delete that row. In this way you can add new rows and columns. So suppose I want to take any one format from this. So these are predefined styles of tables. So you can choose directly any table size. So it will format your table according to this. So I'll take one table first. Suppose this is table. So if you are editing the table, you will get one extra option here on the menu, table design. So these options are only available for table design. So you can take any table design from here. So if I zoom it, you can see it will change the whole table design. So if I choose first, so this is one kind of design, this is. So you can take any table design. Okay, and in shading you can add background color to table. So after that, border styles also you can change for whole table. It will change the border styles. So this is for border style, pen color and borders we have. So if you have to add all borders, so one more option is there. If I have to remove the borders from the table, so if I have to remove borders from here, so I can remove the borders from this table. So you just have to select all the table and click on borders and no border. So you will get table but without border. So in this way you can add any new table, and if you want to delete the table, or as always you have to click on right click and delete table. So in this way you can add table in your document. So after that, let's explore next option. After table we have pictures option. So you can insert picture in your document in 3 ways. First, from your computer, that is from your device. Second, you can use images from stock images and online pictures. So I'll choose online pictures and I will search for some pictures and I will add those pictures into my document. So I'll search for robot pictures and then I can add this robot picture in my document. So now I have to adjust this robot picture here with this text. So you can click here and you can reduce the size, but see the width is getting less but height is still same. So for this condition you have to press shift first and then reduce the height. So by pressing shift you have to reduce the height. After that, here you are getting one option, so that is layout option. In this layout option, what we have to do, or wrap text option, here also you will get. So inline with text you have to choose. So it will inline with text, it will add that image inline with text. So let's explore other options too. So in this square option we have the option to add picture like this in square with text. So if I change another text, another option, so here move with text and fix position on the page, these two type of options I have. So here it will move with the text. After that, last option, you can add above the text also, above or in background also you can add. So if I choose fixed position on page, I can move it anywhere, I can adjust. So this is my favorite one, fixed position on the page. So literally you can add your picture anywhere on the page. So I'll press shift and then make it big. So you can add this picture on your page like this. So in this way you can add picture online also. So insert pictures, stock images also you can create. So these are stock images are available. So if you want to add any image, you can choose that image, click that image and click on insert. So it will insert that image. Now this image is in background, so this is not moving, so we will choose tight so that it can move. Now we have to move this image to the background. So just right click on it and you will get send to back. So it will send that image to background, or here also you will get options to send backward. So send backward. So I will click on send backward. So it will send that image to backward to the text also if you want to see. So click, right click and send to back. Send to backward. So send behind text option is available there. So just click on send behind text. It will send that image to behind that text. So before that you have to choose the text formatting. I will delete this robot image and remove the size. If I click on the image, right click, send behind text. So now my image is behind the text. If you are able to see, here is the text on that image. So you can adjust image with the text. I will just give the white color to it so that you can easily identify the text. So in this way you can adjust image with the text in any way. You can adjust the image with paragraph, you can send that image to behind the text also. So this is all about how to add image and all. So let's delete this image first and give the color black color to text, justify it. So now next option, insert shapes. So if you want to insert any shape in your document, so you can choose any shape from it. So suppose I have chosen this arrow, so you can add that arrow. You can increase the size of arrow, outline, in outline, shape effect, glow effect. So there is glow effect also available, and there are many more options also. Position, so you can directly choose the position of arrow on the page directly. After that you can wrap that text with the text, behind text, through the text. So you can add this arrow through the text. So these are all option available. Suppose I have to draw one square, so this square I can use as a, so if I have to send this square to behind, I will click on send to back. Again I will click on send behind text. So it will send that arrow behind text. So in this way you can design colorful word application. So I will delete this arrow and this shape also. So after that, in insert button we have icons also. So like pencil icon, like arrow, and or icon like school bag or star, like this kind of arrow sometimes you want to use in your word application. So you can add this kind of arrow in between also, or at any place you can add this kind of arrows. So this is about icons. After that we will see 3D models. So this is very interesting topic, 3D model. So in 3D models you will get avatars. So from avatar, this is my favorite. So you can choose this avatar and you can insert like this. So this is here, you can edit this, you can rotate this icon. See, using this central button I can rotate this icon and I can add this icon in my Word document. So if I have to add computer, 3D computer, I can add. So I can stand him in any position like this. Okay, so suppose we are discussing some points here of yoga dance. So you can take this. So insert 3D models, stock 3D models, and I'll choose computer now. So if I add this computer, click insert. You can insert computer also like this, but you can rotate this computer in any direction. So this is very interesting to add images in 3D. You can add this kind of 3D images in your document. So in this way, you can adjust it anywhere, and you can send it behind the text also like this. You can add this behind the text, or you can make it big so that text will look like in computer, but for that you have to use widescreen. So in this way, in Word document you can add the objects and 3D models. After that, next option, SmartArt. So in SmartArt you will get the graphs, like if you want to show life cycle, so you have to choose this art and insert. So here you can add text, primary predator, secondary predator, and like this way you can make any graph in your Word. So sorry, chart and graphs. So that's all we have in SmartArt. Charts also, if you want to insert any chart, you can insert. So there are different kind of charts also. You can enter these charts in like this, and for this chart you will get this Excel. Here you have to add all data. So depending on this data, it will reflect that chart here in your document. So you just have to paste the data here, and it will add the chart for your data. So next option, we have screenshot option. You can take screenshot of any page. So add-ins here, add-ins are available now in Word. We have a lot of addition. So these are plugins, you can say. So if you are using Wikipedia, you can fetch any content from Wikipedia and you can add it here. So online videos option. So if you are having YouTube video URL or something, you want to add that video here, you can add that video in your Word document using this video online video option. So after that, bookmark option is there, and cross reference, comments. So let's discuss about header and footer. So this is header. Header means topmost part of the page. So if you click on header, so it will appear on all pages. Suppose I have to add heading as computer document notes. Sorry, computer notes. If you add computer notes, so now if I am having multiple pages, see, if I am having 2 pages, so it will show that computer notes header in 2 pages. So this is like watermark only, but sometimes we have to add same heading on all the pages. So for that you can use header option. After that, footer option is same like header option. Same thing we can do with footer, computer notes, and here you can add date. In footer you can add date. So in footer 01/08/2024. So if I have to add date, it will add that date on all the pages. So in this way you can use footers. Then text box. Suppose randomly you want to take some text, you want to add some text in between. So you can use this text box to add any formula or text. Then quick links, we know already. Word art is like same adding text, but you will get some fancy text in word art. So you can add any thought in your page. So health is wealth. In this way you can add, right? So next option is there, date, time, signature line. You can add signature, and equations also. There are a lot of equations available in Word, and symbols also you can add any symbol from here. So let's delete all these contents and move towards next option. So next is draw option. You can draw anything on your page. Suppose if I take black line, you can draw your signature also, and you can draw one computer also here. Okay, like this. So in one page you can draw anything using draw option. So this is just like, suppose you have to manually draw something, and link to shape and link to math. So this is a very good option. Suppose sometimes you want to type mathematics paper in Word, so in that case you will need a lot of options like under root, underscore. So you are not be able to type those options, so you can draw those options, and it will take 3 multiplied by 4 power 2. So it can draw it for you, and then here also 3 plus 2. It can add it like this. So this is cross erase. Using eraser you can erase this, and then again I can write it as like this. So now it will take it correctly. Okay, actually we have to draw it perfectly so it can take. So drawing canvas, link, replay. This is designing tab. So this is one interesting tab after home tab. So in designing, what you can do, you can choose the ready-made theme. So this theme will comes with predefined text and fonts. So if I see, so this is Century Gothic font. So all, if you want to apply any theme, go to design and you can apply any ready theme, so that you don't have to format each and every line or font. So I think there are lot of good fonts available here in themes. So in colors also you can add colors, effect, and watermark. Suppose sometimes we want to add watermark in your page as confidential. So this is one watermark. You can change this watermark also. You can more watermark or custom watermark. So text watermark. Suppose I want to add my name, because I have created this Word document. So I can add my name as a watermark. See, you can see this is watermark option. So in this way you can add any watermark also. So page color, you can change the color of whole page using this option. So here I can change the color of whole page. Now this is looking something different. So page color, page border, you can give a thin or thick border using this option. So in this way it will take one border. So if I remove page color, you can see one border is there. Okay. So if I add heading, so see, so in this way you can format the words. Now next option in design, border, after that layout. So layout is very useful when you are formatting a page, because here you can give the margins narrow. So it will reduce the space between the page margins and the text. Orientation also, sometimes you want to write on the horizontal page, so you can make you can rotate your page horizontally and you can write the content on horizontal page. So this is all about layout. Again there is size option. Suppose portrait page is there, but we have to use A3 size page. So this is A4 size page. If you are going to print this page, you have to use A4 size page to print this page, but you have A3 size page which is double than A4 size. So you have to click on A4 size, so you will get one A4 size page. You have size option, then column option. Suppose I have to write one paragraph in 2 columns, so I can use this text to break it into two columns like this. So here I can write one definition, here I can write one definition, and I can add border also to it. So it will look good like this, but no all border. So no border, and you have to choose one paragraph first, and then you have to add outside border to it, and then you have to add outside border to it also. So in this way you can distribute the same paragraph into two columns. So this is all about how many columns you want to write on your page. Suppose sometimes I have to write 4 columns. So this is page break. You can break page in between also. And after that, indent. So this is you can indent, you can manage using ruler also. So in this, using this ruler you can manage indent easily. After that, a right left indent is available. Before and after spacing, so before the text and after the space. So suppose if I choose this paragraph, I have to add 5 points before the text. I can add 5 points before this paragraph, or suppose if I have to add 10 points before this paragraph, I can add 10 points between one line. So this is a line spacing. If you have to change this, go home and change the line spacing. So you can give the distance between two lines, how much distance should be there between two lines. So this is about designing tab, sorry, layout tab. And after that, send backward, these are all options. And reference, so these are not daily useful options. Mailing also, start mail, merge, so these are for advanced users. So in reviews and view option is important. So if you have to read the page, you can go into read layout. Let's close this read layout, go to view, and you can go into focus mode. So if you are reading any book, you can go into focus mode, so that less less options you can see. And then if you close focus option and if you go to edit document, you can come back to this. So web layout is also there, outline, and draft option is there. Suppose there are multiple page breaks in your document and you are finding difficulty to adjusting text, you have to go into draft. So stay always in print layout, this is a good layout to edit. And then how many pages you want to add, side to side 2 pages, or vertical single page. And here grid lines also, you can see the grid lines, so that if you have to adjust the text in particular area, you can add. So this is navigation pan, you will get navigation here. So zoom 100%, so this is like same zoom which is available here also. And then how many pages you want to see, suppose if I multiply this page, so I have too many pages now. And if I want to view this document, I can view multiple pages at one time. I can view one page at one time also. In view, see, this is one page one time, multiple pages at one time. So new window, arrange all, I can arrange all windows, I can split all windows. So now I have 2 separate windows to edit. So in this window I can edit different, in this window I can edit different. So view side by side, so this is view by side. I have 2 different documents which I can edit side by side, so I'll don't save. And then macros, so view macros, record macros. So this is one software mostly developer people can use this kind of macro options. So but in this video I'll show you how to use macros also, because I am a developer also. So if you have to do same formatting on all pages, if I delete all this content, let's delete and keep one page only. So now we have one page only. So what I want to do, I want to do some formatting, and I want to do same formatting on each and every page. So for that, what I will do, suppose if I delete this all, so now whatever action I am doing, I want to record that action, and I want to do that action in multiple documents, not in this document. I want to do that same action in multiple documents, I mean different documents. So for that I will record a macro. So firstly, if I have to record, I click on record macro 1 and assign macro to button or keyword you can assign. So I will click on OK. So now whatever I am doing here, it will get recorded in the macro format, I mean in programming language. So suppose next time if I have to do that thing, I can just click on macro option and I can run all those commands in single way. So I'll type computer name here, computer. I'll select it and go to home tab, center, give font size 50, press enter button, bold, give red color, computer, and give size to 22%, and this is paragraph for computer. Now I want to add this heading on all page. You can do copy paste, but there are some complicated things which you can't do again and again like copy paste. So now I have recorded this macro. I have to stop the macro. In view, I can stop recording. So now my macro is saved. Text, and I want to do same thing. I'll go to macro 1 and I'll run this. So if I run this, it can do that same thing for me. So if you want to see that macro, you can edit that macro. See, this is the coding behind that page. So we can't make it big, otherwise I shown you. So what this coding says, we have one function here, sub macro, and in this selection dot type text, so whatever the text we are typing, so that text will be computer. Text is equal to computer. So it is saying that type a text with the name computer. And alignment, align paragraph center. So align that text to the center, give it a 50 size and make it bold, and give font size 22, and again type new text. This is paragraph for computer. So in this way, if you know this coding, then you can make macros and you can run these macros in your document so that you can do your work very easily. So this is all about Microsoft Word. If you want to know about more features, or if you are having query regarding any option in Microsoft Word, you can comment and let us know. We will give the resolution for it. So please watch our full playlist on Microsoft applications. So you can go to playlist for Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Outlook videos. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.